Hey there, I'm Jennifoo and I'm here to share some beautiful Christmas gift ideas for 2020. I'm going to start off with showing you guys how to make polymer clay ring dishes. So I put together a formula for how to do the colors in case you're a beginner and need something to go off of. So for my setup, I have some base colors and then a color that can be exchanged for anything you'd like. Take a knife and cut one of each color. After that, I combine the peach or the pearl with the copper, and then the gray with the pearl, and then sort of squeeze them all together, and then twisting the ends. Sometimes in the center I keep a little bit more fatter, and then you just fold it over like this, like a little worm. After that, do some more twisting. Turn it into a little worm. And then in the process, you can do some like, I guess what you call like bruising, which could make some nice squiggly effects. And then next, make a cinnamon roll. And then smash it. Make another cinnamon roll. Smash it up again. This time turning it into like a ball. And you're kind of wanting to like look at it as you do it. Maybe like you want to adjust some things. And then next I'd like to just eyeball it a little bit for like maybe some splotches of colors that I have a personal preference for. I kind of like this gray turning into gold area. So next, I'm going to work on the edges. And polymer clay is really easy to work with. So it's just up to you how you want the grooves to be. So, and it's a little bit hard to explain. I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing. And I like having wavy edges. I think it looks pretty cool. Some people will just make them straight edged, and actually they cut it out as a circle, and then they kind of use the bottom edge of a cup as they're heating it up that way. I'm just showing a different way to do it. Next, I'm going to work on baking my clay at 275 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. So there was a piece of hair that I noticed that was embedded in this while it was wet, and it was driving me nuts. But I knew if I tried to pick it out while it was wet, it would ruin it. So I was able to very easily sand it out. Next, you want to apply some glaze. These are the completed ring trays. I don't have any rings, so I decorated it with necklaces. For the next beautiful Christmas gift idea would be to make resin bookmarks. So the materials I have are some disposable cups. I forgot what these are called. Popsicle sticks for stirring the resin. And measuring cups would be ideal. I got shot glass because they were in the drugstore. White and black alcohol ink. Some bookmark molds. I got these from Amazon. Pressed flowers. Gold flakes. and tweezers. And the most important thing is the resin, so let me go get that. You can't make resin bookmarks without your resin. It comes with resin and the hardener, and you mix it together so that they would cure and harden. Now that the resin bookmarks have been hardened, I'm going to add some tassels to them. You can buy these online or you can make them yourself. I actually followed another YouTuber's video on how to do this. I think her name is The Nervous Kitten, and I was able to make these wonderful tassels with her tutorial. And there you have it, some beautiful DIY resin bookmarks, which make a really beautiful Christmas gift. And it doesn't even have to be for Christmas, it could just be a birthday gift or just a gift you want to give to someone who is a book lover. The next Christmas gift idea is to make hand-poured soy candles. I found this really cool cup from the thrift store, and I'm going to turn this into a candle and print a nice label over it, which will just really elevate it and just make a relatively inexpensive gift. Additionally, I'm going to make a version that's more gender neutral and also make one based off of the Advent season. Let me go over some of my supplies. Here I have my fragrances. I got these from Hobby Lobby. Tablespoon or teaspoon candle wicks. I prefer the thicker ones. For this one, I'm going to be using 10.66 ounces of wax, which would require 20 milliliters of fragrance to double scent that. 3 candle wick centering devices. Blank labels that can be printed on for the candle labels. I also have a double boiler system set up. It's very important to stir your wax. That way you're not burning your wax. So just keep mixing and mixing until it melts. Just mix slowly and just being careful. For this particular brand of wax, I have to get it to 180 to 185 degrees before I add the scent in. I'll be using white grapefruit and turmeric. After your wax has cooled to about 135 to 140, go ahead and pour it in. You want to pour it in nice and slowly, but also consistently, so you don't want to randomly stop because that might cause it to look kind of weird, but it'll still be alright. After you're done pouring, you just want to put it off to the side, undisturbed. These are my Advent labels, so this is going to go on the lid. Name of the candle and information, calendar that people can cross out for Advent, and then I have a general candle label. I think this is 2 by 3.5, and then this is smaller than that. Obviously, I know not everybody has access to Creative Cloud, so I created a PowerPoint version in case anybody finds this template helpful. I'll put a link to download it in the description below. In the future, I may also include the Advent one. I just only have time right now to just do this in the PowerPoint version so that you guys can download and then change out the name of the candle and the text if y'all need to. And if you can't speak and if you find things like this helpful, please like. Is it like the thumbs up button? Please like and subscribe, but also like hit that bell button because YouTube kind of changed things to where you might not see your subscribers' videos unless you hit that bell button and select all to get notified of my videos that come out. And also, if you need like a different size, let me know. Now I'm going to attach the Advent sticker, if I can learn how to take a sticker off the backing. Okay. How to center this thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, phew. Rosemary currant, you will go right here. Oh wait, let's center you like this. This is so satisfying. Here are the completed DIY soy candles. Let me go ahead and light the Advent candle. These are my Christmas gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these gifts as much as I enjoyed creating these. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite.